Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick Cricut Design Space tutorial. It actually is on the new update that Cricut Design Space has. I believe this came out last week and I want to show you a quick new feature that they have. So I'm going to open up a design, which this is from my last video, and I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Now you can either right click this and click copy or click Control C for Windows users or Command C. Now the cool thing about this new update is that you can actually combine projects now. So what we can do is click the file button at the top and click new window, and here you can open up Cricut Design Space in two windows. So I just opened up a regular project I had and then I right clicked it and clicked paste, or for Windows you can use Control V or Command V. That is a quick basic explanation of how to do it, but I want to show you why I love this feature. Now, as you know, I do have my own shop and I make a bunch of doormats, and especially when I make my mock-ups I take a picture of a blank photo. But when you post an actual photo, especially with a high quality camera, it takes a while to upload the picture into Design Space. So I'll show you right here. So I did the trick, I copy and pasted it, and it was super easy. So I just had the design in this probably watching Hallmark Christmas movies mock-up for a doormat that I was going to make, and instead of having it take literally 8 years, it takes a very long time, which I will show you, to upload it. It was so much quicker, and here I am just adjusting it to make it to the size. And here I'll show you if I upload it. I'm going to click on the plain picture. See, it says it is loading image. It takes a while, and it uploads huge. So that's why it takes a very long time, which is understandable, but it's so big it just runs down Cricut Design Space a lot. And I'm doing this in real time, and I didn't want to do this for too long, but it took about 15 seconds for this to upload, 20 seconds, sometimes longer if you have a lot more programs running on your computer at the time. But even here it takes a long time, and I cut the time obviously, but it is just so much easier. Rather than uploading it, you can simply just copy and paste it from the new window with this new feature. So that is today's video, short and sweet. I hope you all loved it, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click my subscribe button for more videos. I will see everyone in the next video. Bye!